All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol RKT, Rocket Companies Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. And to all my subscribers, welcome back. And let's jump into this chart. So Rocket Companies has been on a bearish run. I mean, through the ups and downs, it has fallen from the high that it reached way up here at 34 and some change. And from that point forward, it started to drop and it's been hanging out below the 50-day moving average for quite some days now and has broken through it but has not been able to use it as support for the bulls to continue to work their way up. They definitely broke through the 50-day moving average yesterday, and here we are seeing that the bulls tried to recover and we fell again, and here we are. Support level was broken through several times and it reached lows here of 21.74. So let's go ahead and put this to their new locations. We're going to zoom in on what's important. Let's slightly move this up to their new locations. And also, I want us to keep in mind the 50-day moving average where it's located. So the 50-day moving average is actually in between all of this right now. So that lets you know how important the 50-day moving average is. We're below it, but it's below the main resistance level. So 2309 is the 50-day moving average. As long as we're below it, the bears are in control. Once it gets crossed, the bulls have not gained control until they break through the first resistance level. So if the bulls are able to accomplish breaking through the first resistance level, not only did they get back into bullish territory by breaking through the 50-day moving average, but they broke through the resistance level that can turn it into support to start to work their way up to newer highs and officially get into bullish territory, pulling themselves further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction. And that resistance level is 2339. The bulls are going to want to break through 2339 and start to work their way up to newer highs. That's a 30-cent difference from the 50-day moving average of 2309. If the bulls can accomplish that, they broke through the 50-day moving average, they broke through the first resistance, turn it into support, and start to work their way up to new resistance levels and newer highs. On the other end of things, which the bears are already dominating this one by not letting the bulls have momentum to recover, and they've been pulling it down every time, the bulls closed out at 2260 after they tried to recover this and it leveled off, but the bears are going to want to break through support, and that is 2249. If the bears are able to break through support, which they've already accomplished, keeping it in bearish territory, the bears are now bringing this down to newer levels, and our support level is 2249. That gets broken through, this will start to test newer lows, move further away from the 50-day moving average of 2309 in a downward direction. So I want to emphasize how important it is that the support level, if it gets broken through, to pay very close attention to what's going on and how the stock is reacting. Very, very important for any investor to pay close attention to the support level, because it's a support level already inside bearish territory, and if it gets broken through, it's getting deeper and deeper into bearish territory, and the bulls are going to have to come in hefty and load up on stocks to bring this one back up. As always, if you learned something new and found this helpful and informative and feel encouraged or inclined to subscribe, please do so, but don't forget to click on the bell. By doing that, you can turn on all notifications to not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watch this video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.